binary, just we have seen. So I'll tell you
Yes, sir.
by seeing some example. So see here in the previous example, just have explained about how to convert binary number to decimal. Okay, binary number to and decimal number to binary, and binary number to octal, and octal number to binary, and binary number to hexadecimal, and hexadecimal number to binary number. Okay, this time writing what I have explained in the previous class. Okay, what is that? Binary to decimal. Next, binary to octal. Okay, next one, binary to
Hexa.
hexadecimal. Okay, so these three processes are over. Okay, first one, okay, is over. Okay, and one more thing also over. What is that? Decimal to binary. The decimal to binary. Right. Right. So in today's session, we'll see some other some other conversion types. Okay, so we'll try to see simple examples. That is the reason. So because why? Because we have to understand. Okay, we have to understand. Somehow the next steps will be some different. Okay. Right. Now I'll tell you decimal to octal. Okay. Right. So see here, what is a decimal to octal means? Suppose if I'm having 52 as a number, 52 and this 10. Okay. So what is the equivalent? Okay. So they will give you like this. Find the value of 52 base 10. Okay, 52 base 10. Just I'm making this as a. Okay. What is the intention of this? So we need to perform conversion from decimal to octal. Decimal to octal. Okay. Right. So just we'll see how to do it. Okay, 52. So here what I had to do means I had to do LCM with 8. Okay. So 8 6 are 48. So what will be the remainder? So 8 is a 48. Okay, 52
So can
minus.
you explain it once again?
Okay, I have not yet started. Okay, so if I want to convert decimal to octal number system, what I had to do? I had to take an LCM with 8. I had to take an LCM with number 8. Okay, so whatever the value is there, just we need to place here, and we have to do LCM with 8. 8 6 are 48. Okay, what will be the remainder? 4 will be the
4.
remainder. Okay, next again I have to do the same process. Okay, here 8 I had to write. So here what is the answer? 8 zeros are 0. Next, what will be the remainder? 6. Okay, so what is the answer of that? 0 6 4. Okay, 8. 0, 6, 4, 8. Okay, so this is the way to find out the octal value for a given decimal number. Okay, just I'm taking one more example because the above one is very simple. That is the reason where some more doubts. I'm taking 100 base 10. Okay. So I need to find out what I had to find out octal value for this. Okay. Right. I told you what I had to do. I had to write a number here. Okay. Okay. So I had to do LCM with which number? What is the number I had to do? Take just 8. Okay. So 8 table, how many times it will go? 96. 8 12 are. Okay. 96 minus 100 minus 96, how much? 4. Okay. Okay. 8. I have tried 8 has it is here. Okay. Then zeros are. Okay. 8 ones are 8. What will be the remainder? 4. Okay. Then I had tried 0 here. And what will be the remainder for that? 1. Okay. So what is my answer? I had to take from down to okay down to up. 0 1 double 4.
To the base 8.
This is the way to calculate decimal given decimal number to octal number. Okay. Right. Next one we'll see.
So 0114, I think.
0144, yes. No issue in that. 0144. Just we're writing from here. 0 is there. Next 1 is there. In the previous step, I got 4. Then in the next
Okay.
previous step, I'm getting 4. Okay. In that way, I have calculated. Same as the binary number conversion. How we took just from so down number to up number. Okay.
सर कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा.
Okay. Let me know what is the where you have stuck. Okay. Do I need to explain this entire example again?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I explained the entire.
Okay. Entire example. Just simple things. Okay. Just leave out entire things. Okay. Just we need to understand 2 to 3 points. Okay. All of you are aware about 8 table, right? Okay. 8 table aate na aapko?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay. So we need to find out remainder. Okay. Each, for example, if I'm having any number, I need to find out remainder. Okay. Okay. Whatever the remainder I'm getting, just I have to write here. Understand? Okay. 8 12 the 96. Okay. I have to write what 12 will be. Here, understand? I think the problem will not from my side.
Your voice is not clear.
Problem will from other person. I think so. Other, please mute
mute
the
all.
remaining people. Mute all of you.
Okay.
Okay. Right, fine. Whenever I'm having a class, definitely I'll be there in a network wherever I'm having a network. Okay. That is the reason I'm confronting it. Okay, right. So see here, whenever I want to convert decimal number system to octal number system, first point. What is the first point? I had to do an LCM with 8. I had to do an LCM with 8. That is the reason each and every case, I'm taking 8. Understand? So I had to do LCM with 8. Understand? Okay. Whatever the number is there, I have to write here. Second point. Okay. Next, I need to find out the remainder in each step. I need to find out the remainder in each step. So whatever the value here, I have to write here. Understand? Whatever the remainder, I have to write here. Understand? That is the third point. Okay. These
Sir.
3 points are clear, right?
Sir,
Yes.
one note, sir. సార్ ఇప్పుడు 8 కాకుండా వేరే ఏమైనా తీసుకోవచ్చు కదా అంటే 8 టేబుల్
తీసుకోరాదు అంతే సో మనం ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ దిస్ ప్రాసెస్ విల్ బి what we have to say this is a predefined format. Understand? So this is the way to only calculate. Understand? So this is the only way to calculate.
Sir, this is Maurya.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, can we stop when the base is lesser than the radix?
But can we
stop calculation LCM
Yes,
method.
yes. That is the reason
Uh,
only. That is the reason only we are calculating till here. Understand? Basically, no need of this. Okay. So whenever we can stop here itself. Understand? We can stop here itself because 144. Again, if I'm going for the next step also 0144. The same thing only getting. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
I'll tell you that. Actually, I supposed to tell you that in the next step, but not an issue. Okay, right. So see here, first step is whenever I'm calculating, so converting decimal number to octal number, what I have to take 8. Okay, and next one, I need to find out remainder in each step. I need to find out the remainder in each step. Okay, right. Next, third point is what I have to take the reminders, all the reminders. Okay, so once my process is completed, I have to take the all the reminders from down to up. Okay, from bottom to up. Okay, from bottom to up I had to take. Understand? So these are the predefined steps. Okay, we have to take only 8. Understand? We cannot take another number. Okay, so for example, if I'm taking another number, so how can I compare? Okay, so there will be some predefined steps should be there required, right? Okay, fine. So just I'm explaining again. So what I told you, first step is what? I had to take LCM with 8. I had to do LCM with 8. So that is the reason I am writing 8 here. Understand? 8 here. Okay, right. So what is the given value? I have to write here 100. I had to write here 100. Okay. Right. Next. So I need to find out how many times it will be near to 100. Okay, 8 ones are 8 twos are 8 threes are 8 tens are 80. Okay, 8 elevens are 88. 8 twelves are 96. Okay, so if I'm going 8 13, it will be more than 100. Okay, it will be more than 100. That is the reason I had to take only 96. I had to take only 96 till 96 only. Okay. Hmm. So 8 12 are 96. 96. So how much remainder will be there? 4. That is the reason I am writing reminder as 4. Reminder as 4. Okay. Till here, anyone having any doubts?
No, sir.
No or yes?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, fine, right. Thank
After
you.
that step, after
Okay,
that
next
step,
step.
sir.
Okay, next. 8 ones are 8. 8 twos are 16. So it's almost more than 12, right? 16 is more than 12. That is the reason I'm taking only 8 ones are. Okay, 8 ones are 8. So what will be the remainder? 12 minus 4, how much? 4. Understand? Okay, 4. Next step. 8 zeros are 0.
0.
Okay, 1 minus 0, 1. Understand? 1
1.
minus 0, 1. Okay, so 1,
Okay, sir.
4,
Clear.
4. 0, 1, 4, 4, base 8. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
so in that way I had to calculate. Okay, so
Okay,
Maurya
sir.
asked that, so can we stop till here? Yes, of course. Okay, even if you proceed with the next step also, the same value will get. Okay, so what will be the benefit of that means? So basically 8 and 1 is there. Okay, which one is here? Radix is more than a given number, so we can stop. Understand? We can stop the process. So that is only he's saying. Understand? Okay, right. Hope it is clear. If I want to explain, I am ready to explain in the next means one more time also.
Clear, sir. Clear.
Clear? Fine.
Yes, sir.
Good. Thank you. Next one. Just a minute. So we'll try to take a simple example. That is the reason only I'm searching. Okay, I got an example. Okay, right, fine. Okay, right. So next in the next step, what I'm doing means decimal to hexadecimal. Okay, decimal to hexadecimal number system. This question comes no. So don't lose your marks. Okay, because see, if you're practicing for 2 or 3 times, that will be benefit, and that is only enough. Okay, right. So what I need to find out here? Find the hexadecimal value of a given number. Okay, right, of a given number. Okay, right. So here what I'm doing, 45 base 10, this is a decimal number. I had to find out hexadecimal number of a given number. Okay, right. So see here, in the previous case what I've done, I'm doing an LCM with 8 because I need to get an octal number. So here in this, what I need hexadecimal number. That is the reason I'm taking
So if you don't mind, so much distance.
Yes, sir.
just a
Too
minute.
much disturbance.
So much distance is there, sir.
Okay. Okay, right. So here in this case, what I have to do, hexadecimal number. If I want to find the hexadecimal number of a given number, what I have to do, 16.
Martin, 16.
Okay, I have to take
Okay.
an LCM with 16. Okay, so all of you know 16 table, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 16 threes are 16 ones are
48.
okay, 48.
Two,
Is
sir.
it
2 16 is 32.
32.
32? Okay, so 40. Can I take?
Remainder
Can I write 3 here?
No.
No, because why? Because
2 times like that.
Can't hear properly, sir.
Someone who is not in the right
Guys,
place, please mute.
Sir, mute all of them, sir.
Yes, I'm muting now. Right. Okay, I'm doing. Now it is okay. So Durga Parmeshwari, if you want to talk, just unmute and okay. So other persons who are who want to ask questions, please unmute and you can ask the questions. Okay. So they are saying that we cannot write 16
why
3 is a
only
48.
16,
Okay.
sir?
So only we can write. We have to write 16 to the 32. So what will the
Sir, why
reminder?
we are taking only 16, sir? We can
See, sir.
take more
See,
number, no,
See,
sir. Like
see.
5.
I'll tell you. I'll tell you. I'll tell you on it. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So what will be the reminder? 13. Okay. Next, the next process. So I can stop here also, but I'm doing this one more time. So 16 0 is 0. What will be the reminder? 2. Understand? So what is the answer?
0 to 13.
0 to 13.
13.
Understand? Okay. But can we have a 13 as a hexadecimal number at any cost?
No, sir, it would be C.
Okay. So what would be the way A value? 10. B 11.
11.
C 12.
12,
D 13.
13,
E 14.
14,
F
15.
15. Okay. These
0
are the
to
numbers are
0
there in
to D we will get.
0 to 9 will be there. Okay. Apart from that, if I want to continue with 10, I cannot write 10 because I had to represent with A. If I want to write 11, I had to represent with B.
B.
If I want to write 12, I had to represent C. Understand? Even in your exam also, if you wrote this, no, so they will not give you the marks
Hello,
because
sir.
we have to write 0 to.
To
Let me finish.
E.
Let me
To
finish.
E.
Okay, let me finish this. Okay, 0 to
Sorry.
D.
D.
Base 16.
16.
From which number system to which number system I have converted? Decimal number to hexadecimal number system. Hexadecimal number system. Listen here, some of them are asking why we had to take 16 only. So there will be some predefined steps. Okay, whenever I'm converting decimal number to octal number, I have to take an LCM with 8. Similarly, if I want to convert hexadecimal to hexadecimal, what I have to take? 16. Understand 16 as L16. We had to do LCM with 16. Understand? So these are some predefined steps. Okay. So definitely whatever the steps we are following, that only we had to understand, that only we had to approach. Understand? You can have an option that you can change a number. Understand? You can change a number. Understand? So there is some example. Okay. So if I want to find a value for that, I had to do in this process only. There will be a change in the number. Understand? There will be change in the number. Understand? Let
Sir,
me know.
if the
Yes.
number is less than 10, sir, then
Of course, the answer will be 10 only. So what is the answer for that? A. Good question. Okay. So for example, there he is asking that. For example, they have given you 12. So convert this.
Hexadecimal number.
Okay, convert. Okay, if they're asking convert this number. Okay, convert this number to hexadecimal number. So do I need to do again? No. So just write like this.
16,
Okay,
12,
16, 12.
16
Okay.
would be there. 12
0,
would be there,
12.
sir.
Sorry.
12
0,
only there, sir.
Yes,
It's
12
lesser than
only
the
there.
ready.
Yes, 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 yes.
0,
Okay. So 12. Okay. So what will be the 12 equivalent value?
C,
C. Okay, just I had to write
0,
C
C.
and sorry, just I'm getting another symbol. Right. Next, what is that? 8. I had to write 8.
Hello?
Understand? Yes.
16, sir. Sir, 16
Sir,
it is.
page number.
16.
Sorry.
Exact
Page number.
Sir, C to the base 16, sir. It's not octal. It's hexadecimal.
Sorry. Okay, base. Okay, yes. Okay,
Base.
fine. Oh, yes. Okay. Next. Yes. Any questions?
Sir, what
Yes.
are the
Page number,
vice
sir?
versa for the
One by
decimal
one.
to
Okay.
octal? As
We'll
Sir,
see. Decimal to octal. We'll
uh,
see. Okay.
sir,
octal
if
to
it is
decimal.
greater than 100,
Huh?
like
Let-
101, if the number
yes.
is 101.
Okay, we had to do the same process. Okay. We had to do the same process. Okay.
And the numbers Rava.
వస్తాయి. Okay. So there will be
Sir, page
no.
number is, sir.
So check here. I'll tell you that I can tell you that which unit. Okay.
Hello.
I don't have a syllabus paper. Just I'm having the syllabus copy. So I'll tell you that which unit is having this. Unit 9, block 2. Sorry, block 3, unit 9. It is having that. Okay.
Block 2, unit 9.
No,
Okay.
no. Block 3, unit 8. Sorry, block 3, unit 8. Okay. Okay. Right. Maurya, I think we have finished decimal to octal, right?
Yes, sir. One.
Yes, sir.
No.
We finished decimal to octal, but we have to complete octal to decimal as
Yes, we'll do it. We'll do it. Okay. We'll do it. Okay. So right
Sir,
now.
unit 8.
Yes.
హలో సార్
Yes.
ఇప్పుడు మామూలుగా మనం 15 వరకు మీరు చెప్పారు కదా సార్ ఎఫ్
Sound
ఇస్కొల్ 15
చాలా లోగా వస్తుంది. సౌండ్ లోగా వస్తుంది. మళ్ళీ ఒకసారి గట్టిగా చెప్పరా.
హలో సార్ మనం 15 40 ఎఫ్ ఇస్కొల్ 15 అన్నారు కదా సార్
అవును. ఎఫ్ కాదు, ఈఎన్ అనుకుంటా. ఈఎన్ సారీ, ఎఫ్. ఓకే, ఎఫ్. ఓకే.
అయితే ఒకవేళ 16 to 20 అంటే ఆ నెంబర్స్ ఎట్లా అంటే ఎట్లా ఎల్సిఎం తెలుసా
ఓకే. ఎల్సి అంటే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇది అంటున్నా 20 అనే నెంబర్ ఉంది అంతేనా అడిగేది?
ఒక 16 అయినా 17 ఒకవేళ
17 అయినా 16 అయినా?
ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్ చేయండి సార్ ఒకవేళ ఆడ్ నెంబర్స్
ఓకే. I'll do it 7. Okay. So he's asking sorry. Okay. Hexadecimal value of 17. Okay. I'm mentioning 10 here. Okay. Don't forget to mention the radix. Okay. So because these are important when we are writing. Okay. Right. So he's asking 17. Okay. Just in one step it will be over. Okay. See here. So 16. I'm writing as it is. So the next step, what I have to do? 16 ones are
1, 16.
16. Okay.
1,
So what will be the remainder?
1.
1. Okay. Right. Next, here in this, I have to write this. Okay.
16 zeros.
0.
Okay. What will the answer? 1. So here
1 1.
1 1.
0 triple 1.
0 to, okay. So only double 1. Okay. So this is
Okay.
the answer. Okay?
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Okay. Right. Okay. Decimal to octal is over, and decimal to hexadecimal is over. Okay. Right. So we have completed binary to decimal number, binary to octal, binary to hexadecimal, and decimal to binary. Next, octal to binary and hexadecimal to binary. Okay. So we'll see octal to decimal. Okay.
टाइम भी ऐसा लिख रहा है सर, कैलकुलेशन कंप्यूटर्स
Okay, we'll take a simple example. So I'm having a question.
Okay.
So just I'm writing here. So octal to decimal. I supposed to tell you that only simple conversions, but not an issue. So we'll have two more sessions, right, on 5th and 6th. So on the last 2 days, we'll discuss some simple concepts that are about cloud technologies and some other emerging technologies. Okay. So question will be find the. So here what we are discussing, octal to decimal, octal to decimal. That is. Sorry, just a minute. One time taking. I'll take some just somehow one more example also we'll do it. Okay. So 137. Once we'll keep it 37 only, right? Okay, not an issue, right? So I'll tell you by making simple. Okay. So here in this, if I want to find out what with the value of the 37 base 10, 37 base 10. Okay. Okay. Right, like this. Okay, 3 and 7. Okay, 3 and 7. Step 1, what will be the step 1? So right, write the different numbers. Okay, sorry, write the numbers. Okay, in a separate. Okay, then this is 10 power 0.
Sir, can you please mute them all, sir?
Okay, I'll do it.
Very
I'll do it.
difficult, sir.
I'll do it. Okay. Whenever I'm explaining, no, actually, I'm supposed to ask the question because if this is not understandable for the remaining people, no, so no use of it. That is the reason. Just I'm doing. Okay, no problem. I'll do it. Okay, just once this is done, the equation framing. So I'll unmute all of them. I hope it is clear now. Okay, right, fine. So what I had to do, I had to do two numbers. Okay, I had to write each and every number is separate. That is 3 and 7. So then what I had to do, I had to come from the left hand. So 10 power 0, then 10 power 1, 10 power 2, 10 power 3, 10 power 4. Okay, so like that in a way that I had to write. Then whatever the different numbers are there, just I have to keep a plus. Okay, if 3 numbers are there, I have to keep 2 plus. Okay, 2 addition numbers. Okay, in between the two numbers, I have to write plus. Okay. Okay, fine. So just a minute. Okay, what will be the power 0?
1.
1. Okay.
1 0
10 power 0, how much?
1.
1.
0
1 or 0. Anything power 0 will be 1. Okay.
okay
1. Okay. Next x. Here what I have tried here 7. Okay. 7 into 1. 7 into 1. Okay. Next, what is the next symbol is there? Plus symbol is there. Okay. So 10 power 1 is how much? 10.
10 into
10.
3.
Into
3 10 to 30
37.
3. Okay.
30
So
7
30
37
plus 7. What is the answer?
37.
30 plus
37. Okay. So what is the base?
10.
8.
8.
8. 5. We are finding what? Octal number. Okay. Okay. Octal number. We are finding octal number of a given number. Okay. Right. So this is the way to calculate. Okay. So someone please mute.
Sir, can't hear properly.
Yes.
Sir, may I ask a doubt, sir?
Sorry.
May I ask a doubt, sir?
Yes. Yes.
Sir, we are converting 37
Hmm.
to the base 10 into sir.
Give me a minute. Give me a
remaining-
minute. Give me a
remaining the
minute.
same,
Okay. I think some wrong is there. Something issue is there. Just a minute. Okay.
Let's cross check it, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, how
come 8, sir.
Sorry. Just a minute. Okay. I think the process is wrong. Just a minute. Okay.
wrong करे
1 minute. 1 minute. So 37 base. Just a minute. Okay. So not an issue. We'll see that number system conversions, the remaining number systems in a conversion in the next class. Okay. So just we'll see other things. Okay. I'll do just I'll explain the. I'll send you that. Just hold on for a minute. Okay.
Sir, these conversion questions are coming exam, sir.
Yes, they will ask you these questions in an exam. Okay. Other people, please mute. Okay. Okay. So this 9th and 10th we'll discuss in the next class. Okay. Just I'll tell you that remaining concepts. Okay. Not an issue. Just it will take a time. That is the reason. If I'm again, if we are doing the same. Okay. Thank you, Maurya, for correcting me. Okay. Right. So
Excuse me, sir.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Sir,
Tell me.
PDF.
So these Word document, right? You are asking about.
PDF you send. Your
Okay, I'll send you. I'll send you. Somehow the voice is breaking of you, so not an issue. I'll send you. Okay. So you are asking. I hope you are asking about document. Okay, right. So see, listen here. Okay. So we have a topic that cloud technologies. So basically, we have to understand what do you mean by the cloud technology. What do you mean by cloud technology, right? So anyone have an idea about this technology, cloud technology?
No,
Sir,
sir.
So
in the
let me
first class of
no
science,
no
we
is
discussed
expected
about
answer. Okay, no is an expected answer. Other than that, if anyone knows, just let me know. Anyone having any question? Anyone having at least an idea about this cloud computing and mobile computing and
Sir, we
yes.
already discussed in our previous classes, sir. First class
No,
or second class.
no, just we have discussed a small part of it, I think. So just like a simple definitions, like in the applications of computers, we have discussed, I think so. Okay. So this is actually unit 12. So who is having that stimulator? Okay. So this concept is, so don't write on the system who is there. Please, if you don't want to attend the class, you can. Okay. So you have an option that you can disconnect from the class. Okay.
we are saving our data in OneDrive, sir. We have వాటిని మెయింటైన్ చేయడానికి యూజ్ చేసేవి మన డేటాను సేవ్ చేసి.
So emerging technologies. So emerging technologies. So emerging technologies. So basically, the emerging technologies means so recent technologies, whatever the technologies that are there in computer industry. Okay, so that we have to understand. That we have to understand. Okay, that we have to understand. So don't write on the system, please, please, please. Okay, I'm asking you. I'm saying you that please don't change or don't move your devices anything on it. Okay, Alia. So please don't. If you want to go, just you can leave the class. Okay, you have all the rights. Okay. Right, not an issue. Not an issue. I'll stop the screen sharing. Okay, fine. That's fine. So just a minute.
No, sir.
Okay, no, nothing is there. Okay, nothing is there. Just it will. What will happen means whenever in our classes are available in our YouTube. No, that is the reason. Is if someone wants to listen the class, somehow that will be irritated. That is the reason. So listen here. Right, not an issue. So in emerging technologies, what we have to understand means, so these are some advanced concepts. Okay, the recent trends. Okay, actually when we are now
We cannot see your screen.
yes, I have stopped it. That is the reason
Not
you have
understanding,
unable
sir.
to.
Sir,
Sir,
remove
not
the
understanding.
question,
Please
sir.
click on out, sir.
So please, all of you mute.
Sir, who is writing on the screen? Please click out on, sir.
Not no man. So just
Sir,
see
who is?
that doesn't
your
require
voice is
any
not
screen
understanding,
presence.
sir.
Okay, that doesn't require any screen presence. Okay, I'll not listen anyone. Right, chalo fast. Okay, listen here. So
Sir,
today
sir,
we are
please.
going. Yes,
Not understanding.
I have not at all started, man.
సార్ ఇలా చెప్తే మాకు అర్థమైతే లేదు.
I have not at all started. What's your name?
మల్లికార్జున్.
మల్లికార్జున్ ఇంకా స్టార్టే చేయలేదు, అర్థమవుతుందా? ఇంకా స్టార్టే చేయలేదు.
అది
ఓకేనా?
కాదు సార్, స్క్రీన్ చూపెట్టండి.
Sir, screen share చేయండి, sir.
స్క్రీన్ లో ఏం లేదు. ఓకేనా? నథింగ్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఇన్ ద స్క్రీన్. ఓకే, నథింగ్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఇన్ ద స్క్రీన్. ఓకే,
వేరే టాపిక్ చెప్తారు కదా ఇప్పుడు, దాంట్లో ఏం లేదంట.
అవునండి, అవునండి, అవును, అందులో ఏం లేదు. ఓకేనా? అందులో ఏం లేదు. ఓకేనా? ఓకే. సో ఓకే, రైట్. So listen here, emerging technologies means, so what are the recent technologies, what are the recent trends are there in computers, so that we are going to discuss. Okay, that we are going to discuss. So anyone having any idea about cloud technologies?
Yes sir, I have.
Yes, tell me.
Sir, we are
Yes.
using Google Drive as well, sir. Google Drive and Microsoft OneDrive. So these will store our access data or the most required data.
Somehow the answer will be correct. Somehow the answer will be correct. Okay, right.
Remote
So,
system.
yes,
Storing
yes.
data in our
Okay.
remote system. Whenever it is
Basically,
required, we can.
No,
Of the
basically
data
you are
from-
saying about, so you are saying about the data will be stored in not a physically, basically we are storing the data in logical place, okay, not a physical place, okay. Yes, right.
Yes, sir.
Yes, that is only. So basically cloud means basically we don't have any physical storage. So for example, if I'm storing any data, as he said, I think he's only filled the answer, okay. So basically if I want to store the data, what I required as storage device is required. If I want to store any data, what I require, storage device is required. That may be pen drive, that may be hard disk, that may be anything, understand, that may be any storage device, okay. So here in cloud technology I don't require any physical volume or physical storage, understand. So basically they'll for example, if you're taking Gmail, the best example he has only given that. So drive one, for example Google Drive, okay, that kind of things comes under. So cloud storage, understand, cloud storage. We don't have any in our pockets or in our pen drives. Okay, the data is stored in where? Somewhere around in cloud, somewhere around in cloud. Okay, so that will be known as what? Cloud technologies. Okay, so here in the market trends. So apart from that, so here in the market trends, what will happen? So some advanced things are there. Some some cloud providers also there. Cloud providers also there. Okay. So like multiple numbers also there. Multiple people are providing the cloud technologies. They are providing the machines. They're also providing the storage devices. Understand? Okay. So we don't just we need to purchase from the internet only. Understand? If I want to go that, if I want to get it, I can get it from the internet only. Understand? So I'll not get in the physical format. I'll not get the data in physical format. Understand? And in the remote place also, I'm able to get the data. Understand? No need to carry anything. No need to carry the device at anywhere. So this will be happened. This will be happened. Okay. Right. So first one thing is that we need to understand. So what are the different cloud technology providers? Okay, AWS and Azure and Google Cloud Platform. So these are common cloud providers. Understand? Okay, right. So so this is some information about cloud technologies. Okay, cloud technologies. So basically, why the required cloud technologies means, for example, just check it that if you are having a small movie, a small like a small album in your phone, so definitely it will take some 500 MB to 1 GB, 500 MB to 1 GB. Imagine that if YouTube is there, okay, how many videos it will have? Plenty of videos. Understand? Plenty of videos. Just explain. Just imagine that how much storage is required for that. How much storage is required for that? So basically, some mechanism will be there. Understand? Some mechanism will be there. Some mechanism will be there. For storing the data, some mechanism will be there. Understand? So in such a
Okay,
way,
sir.
okay, in such a way the data will be organized. Understand? If I required, the data will be uncompressed, and what are the mechanism they have created, and I'm able to see the data. Understand? So these are some cloud computing. Okay, cloud computing means what? So how the mechanism there, so how they are showing the data, how they are retrieving the data. Okay, so this is some formats will be there, that is called cloud computing. Okay, cloud computing. Okay, like big data and Hadoop. So many technologies are there. Okay, just we had to understand, just we had to remember the names of them. Okay, so some people will are from technical background, so they heard about these terms. Understand? We cannot expect that single technology will be there for a continuous 10 years. Okay, 10 to 20 years. So there will be multiple technologies. Understand? So you may have some different technology for the same work. So some people will have a different technology. Understand? So that is the reason. Okay, each and every language we can expect that only some people will know about C, C++, Java. These are the common means commonly known language. So there might be multiple language. Understand? R language, okay, COBOL, and some so different types of language will be there. Okay, some multiple languages are there. Okay, right. So next one, embedded systems. Okay, I hope cloud means what do by cloud and what is the meaning of cloud computing. This you understood. Just we need to understand the names. Understand at least we need to understand at least what do you mean by this? Okay, what do you mean by this? We have to understand. Okay, right. Next one is embedded systems. Okay, basically embedded system is. So I'll give you a simple example. Basically for single purpose. Okay, if I want to use an any device, if I want to use an any device for single purpose, so that are known as the devices are known as embedded systems. The devices are known as embedded systems. Okay, just we'll see some example. So listen here, how many of you know that processors and some kind of processors also there in washing machine and fridge and other things like
Yes, sir.
these? Yes, there will be some processor, right?
Arduino board.
Yes.
Processors
So
and
controllers are there, no, in that
Yes, sir.
devices. So can I use washing machine for another users, means other than washing?
No, sir.
No, because this is defined and this is dedicatedly used for what? Single purpose. Okay, right. So can we call this embedded device? Yes. Understand? Fridge also for one only for cooling. Okay, if I want to cool any item, so that will be used. Okay, that is also an example of embedded system. Okay, it is also an electronic device which will be used for a single purpose. Okay, single task. Okay, single specific function. If I want to use an LED device, an electronic device, that can come under embedded device. Understand? That is also will have a processors. Understand? That is also will have a processors. Okay, right. So best examples for what?
Washing machine.
Okay, washing machine processors and refrigerator process. Okay, so in electronics they're having some microprocessor 8081, 8082, some kind of processor will be there. Okay. But yes,
8086, sir.
okay, some
8081.
just okay, fine. So I don't know about the process, but there will be some processors will be there. Okay, 8081, 80 something. Okay, some numbers will be there. Okay, in our system also there will be 32-bit process systems also there. No, similarly, whatever the names are there, no, 8081, some kind of that are 8-bit processors. Okay, low processing speed processors. Okay, right. Next one.
Okay.
Okay, so just to see here, I'll tell you some concept. So see here, basically, just a minute, I need to share my screen. Just a minute. Okay, so we need to understand these terms. Okay, basically this comes under cryptography. Okay, cryptography. Okay, so what do you mean by cryptography? Okay, what do you mean by cryptography means? So basically, all of you, for example, if I want to send any information, secret info, if that is very confidential information, so what I have to do? I had to follow some rules, right? I had to follow some rules. So then only I will able to.
Hello, sir. Was talking, sir.
Then only I will able to send the information to
Hello, sir.
secret manner. So such kind of mechanism. Is it okay now, or still you're getting? Is it okay now, or still you?
Right now it is okay.
Is it
sir.
okay or?
Okay, sir.
Background sound is
Okay,
very
sir.
disturbing, sir.
Okay, sir.
Fine. Okay, right.
Sir, some magnetic devices
So
around your
basically,
system
nothing
or
is there in the
somewhere.
background of me.
Device ఏమైనా ఉంటే అలాగే వస్తుంది సార్ డిస్టర్బెన్స్ మొబైల్ ఫోన్ కానీ అలాంటివి ఏమైనా దగ్గరకు వస్తుంది.
No, man. Just I am also keep. Just a minute, okay. I'll keep the phone away from me. Just keep the. I'll keep the phone away from me. Right, fine. Is it okay, or still I need to?
Sir, voice break
Is it
అవుతుంది
okay?
సార్
Just can you anyone
Voice is
please
breaking,
confirm?
sir.
క్లియర్ సార్, క్లియర్ గానే ఉంది.
ఇప్పుడు ఓకేనా? ఇప్పుడు ఓకేనా? ఇంకా కట్ అవుతుందా?
ఇప్పుడు
ఇప్పుడు ఓకేనా లేకపోతే కట్ అవుతుందా ఇంకా?
ఓకే సార్.
Okay, fine, fine.
Okay, sir.
Right, fine. So see here, right, okay, right, okay. Any confidential information, if any, okay. So any confidential is there. If I want to send any confidential information, so then I have to follow some secret mechanism. Understand some secret mechanism. Okay. So for example, if I want to send, for example, any password. So what I'll do, I'll send. Sorry, ఒక్క నిమిషం. Just a minute. Okay, ఇప్పుడు ఓకేనా?
Okay, sir.
So
Okay,
I'll do
Yes, sir, sir.
I'll do one thing. So I'll write the information on the notepad, means word file.
బ్రో 10 minutes ఉంది, కొంచెం అడ్జస్ట్ చేసుకొని వినండి.
Okay, right. Just a minute. I have disconnected from internet and I have connected again. So sending the confidential information in a secret manner. Okay. So who are not able to listen the voice properly, okay, so sending the confidential information in a secret manner. So what will the benefit of that means? Data will be secure. Data will be secure, right? So here, what do you mean by encryption?
Why?
Arjun, if you are able to see my screen, just okay. So that is the reason I haven't shared the screen. Okay, that is the reason I will not share the screen. Okay, so they are writing just they are thinking different thing. Okay, no one will care about it. Okay.
Okay.
So cryptography means to control the creation of coins and to verify transactions.
Yes, tell me that exact definition. The same thing I'll convey from the definition which I have given.
Okay, sir.
Okay, simple. Okay, actually, we can define any. For example, if you take any example, so we can define in our own words, right? Similarly, this is also same. Okay, so it is basically what they will give you. I'll tell you. Okay, so it is a study. So basically, it contains crypto science, which will think about the data secure and other things. And in a clear manner, there will be some mechanisms like encryption, decryption, and plain text and ciphertext. Okay. So from this, I have explained each and every word. Okay, I supposed to explain. So each and every word in a different manner. Okay, encryption means what? Converting the plain text to ciphertext. Okay, so these encryption, decryption are a part of cryptography only. Okay, part of cryptography only. So next, decryption means what? Converting ciphertext to plain text. Converting ciphertext to plain text. Okay, right. See here. So secret key. So there will be some secret key. There will be some secret key. Okay, I'll tell you what do you mean by secret key.
Sir, can you explain some character of M-byte system?
Characters of
M-byte system, sir.
Characteristic means I didn't get anything. Means characters means you're asking about users or
Operations, particular operations.
we don't require that such that much. Okay, just we need to understand the single definition and what are the examples. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So actually, in our even if you look at the syllabus, also they have given you just a single just embedded systems. Okay, just they'll give you simple word only. Okay, so we don't have any. We don't require. Okay, we don't require. So, for example, if there's someone asks you what do you mean by that, just we have to understand. At least we have to give at least 1 to 2 lines of data, of 1 to 2 lines of information about it. Okay, right. So see here. So how to do conversion means how to do converting plain text to ciphertext means with the help of secret key only. Okay, with the help of secret key only. Okay, so anyone knows this number system? For example, they will give you this, no, A, B. Just a minute. A, C. So next, what will be the number? What?
135, sir.
9. No. Just I have written only one. Only one.
G, sir.
G,
G,
sir. E, F, G. Okay, why you said the G?
I.
No. Just we stop
Sir,
hearing.
it's skipping, sir. Yeah, n plus 2 kind
Odd
of format.
letters.
Okay, so whatever, for example, A, B, C, D, E, F, G is there, no? So what I have neglected? B,
E.
D I have neglected, and F I have neglected. Understand? So can I say +1? Okay. So A after that +1. Sorry, +2. Okay, +2 number. Okay. +1 means B will come. Okay. I'm neglecting B. And what I'm taking +2 means C. C next one +2 means D, E. E +2 means G. So +2 is what here? Secret key. Understand? Secret key. Understand? Secret key. So this is what plain text. So what they'll do? They will do ciphertext. How they have done ciphertext? The help of secret key. Understand? The help of secret key. For example, if I'll tell you, just give me a minute. So what will be my plain text? A, C, E, G. Okay. So just imagine that this is my password. This is my password. Okay. So someone asked, Maura is asking that what is your, so what is my Wi-Fi password? So I'm saying that A, C, E, G, and my secret key is +1. Okay. So what I'm saying, my secret key is +1. Okay. No one will understand. Just we only understand. Why? Because so they have given the secret key to me. Okay, has given secret key me to me. So all of will know what is my password. So what is my password? ACEG. But that is encrypted. Understand? That is encrypted. So what I had to do? I had to do +1. Who know this +1? Only me and Maurya only know. Understand? A +1 means what? B. C +1 means what? D. So E +1 means what? F. G after that H. So what is my password? Actual password?
PHE.
Understand? So this is the way I have a convert. This is the way to I can encrypt.
Can you tell me once again?
Okay. See here. For example, if I'm having a Wi-Fi password. Okay. If I'm having a Wi-Fi password.
Can you tell me once again, sir?
Yes, I'm saying again. Are you able to listen me or still getting a stuck in the voice?
Clear, sir. Clear.
No,
Clear,
sir.
okay.
No, sir. Very clear.
Okay, right. See here, if I want to say my password, I have shared to everyone. Okay. So what is my password? Everyone knows that is ACEG. ACEG. Understand? But what I have done, I have encrypted. Understand? I have encrypted. Actually, that is not my password. So if you're taking this +1, then only my password will actual password will get. Understand? Fine, right? So what I have done means, so my dear friend, ACEG is my password, but you have to use +1 as a secret key. So then the user will do what? A +1 means B, next C +1 means what? D, E +1 means F, G +1 means H. So this is the way to I can convey and I can get the security for my password. Understand? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
basically, whenever here what in software industries in any means any confidential information they are sharing. So what they'll do means they'll give you the plain text in separate file and secrets in a separate file. Understand? So secrets will be separate file. So then only the encryption and decryption will be happen. Understand? So this is the way of converting encryption and decryption. Understand?
Okay.
So cryptography will have these concepts. Okay. So today we'll wind up the session. So let me know any other questions. So
No,
we'll discuss the octal number and other things in the next sessions. Okay. Thank
సార్
you.
ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఎక్కడ యూజ్ చేస్తారు సార్ ఎక్కువ ఈ క్రిప్టోగ్రఫీ అనేది అది ఎక్కువ ఎక్కడ యూజ్ అవుతుంది మనకి?
ఎక్కడైనా కాన్ఫిడెన్షియల్ ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ ఉంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నేను ఏం చేస్తున్నాను అంటే చాలా ఏరియాస్ యూజ్ చేస్తారు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏదైనా ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఇప్పుడు డేటాబేస్ ఉంటుంది కదా. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ డేటాబేస్ ఉంది, అక్కడ ఏం చేస్తారు, డేటాబేస్ లో వచ్చిన డేటా అంతా చూపించాలి.
ఓకే.
సో అప్పుడు ఎలా అనేది చూడాలి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఎలా డేటాబేస్ లో ఉన్నటువంటి డేటా అనేది కనబడాలి, కాకపోతే క్లియర్ గా కనబడద్దు. ఓకేనా? నో వన్ అందరికి కనబడద్దు. అప్పుడు ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఈ సీక్రెట్ కి యూజ్ చేసుకొని కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తారు అనమాట సైఫర్ టెక్స్ట్ కి.
ఇప్పుడు మీరు చెప్పారు కదా అక్కడ ఎంక్రిప్షన్ అనేది మనకి అక్కడ అంటే అందరికి కనబడేగా పెడతారు.
ప్లెయిన్ టెక్స్ట్ అనేది అందరికి కనబడేలా పెడతారు. కీ మాత్రం ఎవరికైతే కనబడాలో వాళ్ళకి మాత్రమే ఇస్తారు.
So
We have to find out the secret key, sir.
Yes, exactly. We need to have a secret key.
ఆ కీస్ అనేది యూజ్ అవుతుంది ఎలా అనేది అంటే మెయిన్.
Sorry?
So what is the difference between cryptocurrency and cryptography?
So cryptocurrency is different. Okay. Cryptography is a study. Okay.
If they ask explain the cryptocurrency with a diagram is what we have to write, sir.
Cryptocurrency they'll not ask you. Cryptocurrency I think we don't have any. So I'll make a sentence and I'll send you that in this document. Okay.
Okay.
You said, sir, what part PPT will send in group, no, sir?
Sorry.
So please
What
share
part
yesterday's
PPT
class and today's class.
Okay. I'll send you that entire things in 2 days. Okay. I'm waiting for the. So just I supposed to send you now. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Any other questions?
Sir.
Sir, will you be the computer application teacher for the next term also?
That might be. See here, actually, I will be that may be possible or that might not be possible because I will be. I'm having some other works, so I may not be a complete full-time employee here. So that is the reason that may be possible. That may not be possible.
Okay, sir.
Sir.
So why? Because next semester we are having Python programming.
Yes,
so
yes,
without practicing, it won't be possible.
Yes. And they're also conducting the practical sessions.
But the limited program would be there, sir. Limited programming would be there. Only selected coding, as mentioned in the textbook.
See here, actually, yes. So if you listen here, one thing will be there. So what are the books they are providing from Ambedkar University now? So they are giving more information. So basically, if you are trying for a more and more practice, so that will be benefited. Understand? So the sources are there from university, but somehow the classes will be there will be a problem, right? Okay, at least 7 and 10 classes. So anyhow, they are providing the online classes, right? So means online practical sessions, right? So that will be benefited. No issue, not an issue.
So do we need a system? I mean, laptop or desktop?
No, they will provide you. Okay, that means the lab will be there. So there you have to work out. Okay.
So what data mining?
Sorry.
What is the data mining, sir?
Last word is missing. I'm unable to get
data mining, sir.
Data mining. Okay. So see here, we will discuss that things. Okay, Okay, data warehouse and data mining and database. So these are some common words. These are required in IT industries. Okay, I'll tell you. Okay, data mining. I'll tell you. Okay, ETL processes and other things. Okay. I'll tell you that. Okay.
लास्ट है क्या?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So we'll discuss. Okay. Just remind me that things in the next class. Okay. So that I'll explain. Okay. Hardly it will
Okay,
take 5 to
sir.
10 minutes. Okay. Thank you. Thanks for the
Okay, sir.
participation.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
अच्छी थी लेकिन लास्ट पार्ट दिखाया नहीं. मतलब खाली బిల్డింగ్
మౌర్య ఉన్నావా?
ఉన్నా, చెప్పండి.
నేను మౌనిక. ఇది బైనరీ నెంబర్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా,
అవునవును.
వాటికి సబ్ట్రాక్షన్, మల్టిప్లికేషన్ అవి చెప్పారా సార్ నిన్న?
ఎడిషన్ మనకి ఎడిషన్ మాత్రమే చెప్పారు, సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చెప్పలేదు.
ఇక్కడ ఒక మోడల్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ లో ఉంది, అదే అడుగుదాం అనుకునేసరికి సార్ వెళ్ళిపోయినట్లున్నారు.
అరిథమెటిక్ అంటే ఎడిషన్ ఉంటుంది, సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ ఉంటుంది, మల్టిప్లికేషన్ ఉంటుంది, డివిజన్ ఉంటుంది.
ఎలా చేయాలి అది నాకు ఐడియా లేదు, చెప్తారేమోనని సార్ నెక్స్ట్
నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్ అడుగుదాం. ఎందుకంటే అది ఒక్కదాంతో పోయేది కాదు, ప్రతిదానికి కూడా ఫస్ట్ కన్వర్షన్ తెలియాలి. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ మనం